This is an exciting one. It's the first time we're doing a necklace on this channel, so let's get into this. And welcome to Beaded by Malia. And this is the list of items that you are going to need. We are going to be using 4mm round beads, and we're going to be using 4mm seed beads. Because the seed bead is not completely round, this is me mixing circle beads with a more of a square shape seed bead. It adds a visual contrast. It creates kind of like a unique, appealing design, especially in beading, to mix up shapes. And this shape just really complements each other. This circular with a almost square-like bead, seed bead shape. So we're using non-stretch clear thread, which they'd usually call fish wire, and you put it around your neck just to make sure where you want it to be. I measured this around my neck and I know exactly where I want it to fall, and this is why I've chosen this amount of wire or thread. With necklaces, because you don't want the beads to fall off, you will start with adding your crimp bead, and then you'll put on a crimp cover, cutting off that little excess of the wire because you want everything to fit nicely into that crimp cover. And for me to basically finish off one part of the necklace, I'm adding a jump ring to the end in the meantime. So now comes the fun part. Now we start beading. So I decided to choose white pearl beads because I really like white pearl beads, and then a lavender seed bead. And the seed bead it's round, but it does have the square effect. Once all the beads are on, that is kind of what it looks like. It looks like the purple bead gives a square effect. So we're coming to the end of the necklace. So we're going to start with adding the crimp cover first this time, and then we're adding the crimp bead on the top so that the crimp cover can nicely cover that crimp bead. Now to end of the one side of the necklace, we're going to add a jump ring to a lobster claw clip, and we're going to add that to the loop on the necklace. So I'm using a bigger jump ring to add one of those pearl beads on, that I can add it to the trace chain. I cut only a small piece of trace chain to add to the end, so that when you clip it at the back, that we have this beautiful chain hanging down the back of your neck with a beautiful bead. And this just really finishes off the necklace and makes it look so professional and so finished. And this necklace is finished just like that. Not even hard to do, but looks so good. Looks expensive when it was not, by the way. And it's such a beautiful necklace that I'm going to be wearing until it's broken. I hope that you've learned something, and I hope that you make this necklace, and I hope that you like and subscribe to this channel if you do enjoy the kind of content I'm making, because I try to make content that is not hard for anyone to do. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will catch you next time. Cheers.